This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to project right now. First, make sure the projector accepts HDMI or wireless casting. That determines your cable or dongle. On your Android, open Settings and find Cast or Screen Mirroring. If you have USB-C video out, grab the USB-C to HDMI adapter. Plug the adapter into your phone and the HDMI into the projector, or power the Chromecast and connect it to the projector's HDMI port. Once connected, switch the projector input to the matching HDMI or wireless channel once the hardware is connected, focus on the connection steps. If wired, your phone should automatically detect HDMI output. If not, unlock the phone and deny battery-only prompts. For wireless, tap Cast in Quick Settings, choose the projector or Chromecast name, and accept pairing prompts. Make sure you allow media permissions so audio and video pass through. Then open the app or video you want to show, set orientation, and reduce phone sleep timeout so the projection doesn't cut out mid-playback. Finish by optimizing the picture and sound. Tweak focus, zoom, and keystone on the projector, and set your phone's volume or route audio to external speakers if the projector's sound is weak. If the image is blank or flickering, power cycle the phone and projector, reseat the HDMI or USB-C adapter, and confirm the phone's display mode supports video out. If wireless won't connect, move devices closer or restart the router. These quick checks usually fix common connection failures and get you projecting reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.